Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it is the second Friday night update of the month. And today we're just doing up top, so it's going to be slightly different, and we've got just like one job to do. But yeah, you'll see a couple differences throughout the garden, throughout the top bit anyway. And we did quite a bit of maintenance work yesterday, so that took the majority of the day. We did a few videos yesterday. We recorded a few videos yesterday. But yeah, so before we do get into it, you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you are new, and let's get into it. So stupid here again, and this is a common mistake in the garden that we always make, is not labelling our stuff. We put in some leeks and a few other bits, but we know that one of them is leeks, but we don't know what the rest of it is. But yeah, so also we put some fresh compost down, so it's like compost and manure mixed in together. So that's good. And so we've got that in there, and we've also got some stuff that we planted in like 4 or 5 days ago. We got some fennel, and so hopefully this produces quite a nice fennel. So at some point, also probably on garden as well, that we watch on a Friday at 8, 9 or 9:30, depending on whatever's on before or after. Or after garden as well on. But we saw this little tip on garden as well. And basically what you do is, so the trailers of your strawberries, you can actually try and put them into the ground so they try and take to the soil. So you need to keep these moist, but we might actually put them into pots, or we might actually put it into a pot instead of the ground, because the fennel will be taking a lot of its nutrients. So hopefully what this bed was built for our strawberries, that is now taken up by fennel, will again next year be strawberry beds, and hopefully we can actually get something out of our strawberries. So you can see that there is no longer cucumbers on this little patch. It's actually red cabbage now. So we've taken the trellis out with all the cucumbers. We've done our last harvest of cucumbers yesterday. So we've taken out that trellis. So we've gained a little bit of space for our red cabbage. And we left them a little bit too late, so we're not too sure whether they're going to have time to grow. Hopefully they do. But yeah, so that was the red cabbages, and we've actually got a few over there. We'll show you that now. So this is the bed that probably gets the least amount of sun. So yeah, but you can see the leaves have already been attacked by probably what will be white cabbage butterflies, is gonna be my guess. So hopefully they still have time to take to the soil and grow, but we're not too sure. So you can see we've actually got the majority of the cardboard laid out now. We just need to do a little bit in between that hedge there, where the path is, and then lay it down with bark. But you can see we put a bit more down. We put a little bit more bark down. We need to get some more. Well, we need to get more for all of it, really. So that's what my dad's going to be doing in his lunch hour. How lucky for him. So we're out of tomatoes, and because this lot isn't going to produce anything, it's too late on in the season, I'm just going to trim the plant back, so take that out. And another reason why this is good, and that is tangleweed, and another reason that is good to do is because we actually had some stuff underneath that, and that probably wasn't getting any sunlight. So hopefully now that will get some sunlight. Trim that one as well. So we've got a hot week coming up, with something coming from America or something like that. We've got a little heat wave coming for a week, so hopefully this will be good for the garden. And basically, now that we've got rid of that, then hopefully that can get some sunlight. These can ripen. But we've got about 2 kilos of tomatoes so far, and we're planning on making some passata. So you can see the truss of tomatoes here, and so I'm just going to clip there, and that means that that will get a little bit more light, and we're gonna take a quick cut. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, and then we'll be back. So we've pruned back quite a lot, and you can see that. So it looks a little bit better, and we've left anything that's going to be in contact with the tomatoes. Hopefully they'll start. The majority of them will ripen. We've also got some butternut squashes that hopefully will grow in the next week, with the mini heat wave coming. So you can see there's quite a lot of a drastic change. But I'm just gonna check with my dad whether there's anything else, and then if not, we'll round it up. If so, I'll go on to the next thing. So I'm over at the back, and you can see that the runner beans have gone, which were not quite nice, because so the runner beans are gone. So that's quite not nice, but obviously, but to the left of us we've got our salads. We've got our salad leaves, and their spinach. We've got some spinach, we've got some beetroot and lettuce, and I think there might be some Swiss chard in there as well. And directly behind me, and a little bit to the side of me, to my right side, is some things that we just planted to fill in the space for the runner beans. So we did quite a lot of drying of herbs yesterday, and we've just done drying in general quite a lot recently. So the herbs that we dried were like chard, were like rosemary, chives, thyme. I think we did a little bit of, and sage, and a few other little bits. So the last little bit is the marigolds are looking quite cool. They're getting quite big. They're actually intertwined with the thing. I don't really know how that happened. They must have just grown it, weaved in and out by themselves. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you are new, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. There's 2 videos popping up now, but thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.